Former Citizen Coalition for Change President Nelson Chamisa has called for fresh elections, declaring the 2023 polls rigged and void. Sanambira mashoko atona awa Nelson Chamisa atora mashoko ekuti ma 2023 polls awa they are new and void. Don't ever subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mashoko ake Chamisa nyora chiti. Chamisa, a charismatic leader, insisted that discussions about the 2028 elections are premature and irrelevant until the controversies surrounding the 2023 polls are fully addressed. 2028 is not on the table at all, Chamisa stated emphatically. Talking about 2028 presupposes that we had 2023, but 2023 was nullity, a void. Therefore, it does not exist. Nothing stands on nothing. He criticized those who view the 2028 elections as a solution, stressing the importance of addressing the flaws in the current system. We must fix what is broken now, Chamisa urged. Panapa tukona Nelson Chamisa arikachiisa calling for electoral reforms achiti aiwa zvinhu zvakabrokeka ndo zvatinofanira kutanga tambogadzirisa nhau dza 2028 toboisa pasaiti tobomira ndokuti hatikamboidi kuna 2028 za 2023 anga ari flawed. Hapana chinjinga muna 2028 tiziva kuti aiwa pane mamistakes akaitwa muna 2023 what if akaripitika. Tuze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko ake pena comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.